Students, today we will see the conversion and storage of electrochemical energy or maximum intrinsic efficiency of a cell. Before going into the intrinsic efficiency of a cell, we should know what is actually a cell. A cell is a device which converts the chemical energy into the electric energy. That is called the electrochemical cell. So, what the mechanism is obtained or processed in an electrochemical cell? Some chemical reaction takes place, and due to this chemical reactions, electrons are produced in the instrument or in the set, and these electrons are responsible for the electrical energy. Every cell has a certain efficiency. Efficiency means how much chemical energy is converted into the electrical energy. Suppose 50% of the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, then this cell is said to be have 50% efficiency. So, to get maximum efficiency in an electrochemical cell or converter, we can consider following thermodynamic relation. That is, minus delta Z is equal to W reversible minus P delta V, where delta Z is the decrease in the free energy, W reversible is the maximum work which can be obtained from a cell in a reversible manner, and P delta V is the work of expansion. It means the change in free energy in a reaction is equal to the total reversible work, which is denoted by W reversible, obtainable from the reaction minus the work of expansion P delta V. Thus we can say that minus delta Z can be written as W dash reversible. W dash reversible is actually the work obtained from a electrochemical converter, where W dash reversible is all the work obtainable from the reaction exclusive of any work that can be obtained from a possible volume change in the system. Means this is the work which is actual, and this work is obtained when any work of expansion is excluded from the possible maximum work obtainable from a cell. From electronic chemical point of view, the maximum work obtainable from a cell is given by W dash reversible is equal to NFVE, where N is the number of electrons involved in the reaction, F is a Faraday constant, and VE is the voltage in equilibrium. Remember, N is the number of electrons involved, F is Faraday constant, and V is the equilibrium voltage. Thus, we can obtain from equation number 2 and 3, that is minus delta Z is equal to NFVE. Here we have to consider enthalpy changes also, that is denoted by delta H, in finding out the efficiency of a cell. We cannot neglect the enthalpy changes in a reaction. So hence a better expression for intrinsic maximum efficiency of an ideal electrochemical converter is given by E maximum, that is efficiency maximum, is equal to delta H divided by delta Z divided by delta H, and we know that delta Z is equal to, just we have seen, minus NFVE divided by delta H. Now, Actual efficiency of an electrochemical energy converter. Actual means real one. So it has been seen that in an electrochemical energy converter, the maximum cell potential is the value VE obtainable when the reaction in the cell is electrically balanced out to equilibrium. That is, when no current is being drawn from the cell. So you can say this is the ideal condition. Ideal condition means when there is no current flow through the cell, then at that time the work obtained from the cell is the maximum work, and it is obtained when the voltage is VE, that is voltage at equilibrium. And what is the equilibrium condition? When no current flows. As soon as the cell drives a current through the external circuit, the cell potential falls from the equilibrium value from VE to VE. So actually what we want to say, that as soon as we start to take the current from the cell through outer circuit, its ideal potential falls from the value VE to V. So now V is the actual potential which is obtainable from a cell. The value of actual potential V at which the cell works when delivering a current I is always less than the equilibrium potential VE, because some potential has been dropped out when some current is drawn from the cell. Hence, from the equation we can say that E maximum is equal to minus NFVE delta H, just we have seen. Then E naught will be equal to minus NFV upon delta H, where E naught is the actual potential or actual efficiency rather you can say, and E maximum was the ideal efficiency from a cell, or E naught is equal to E maximum multiplied by EP, where EP is known as the voltage efficiency. Remember, EP is known as the voltage efficiency, and this efficiency is given by EP is equal to V upon V. So this is the actual efficiency of a cell, where V is the actual voltage of the cell, VE is the potential of the cell when no current flows through the circuit, and E naught is given by E maximum dot AP. So this is the actual efficiency of an electrochemical energy converter. Thank you.